won't stop. This is gonna definitely mess up our video for sure.
Hey everybody, welcome to Who's Smoking. I've got a special guest today. This is my son Logan. So around the holidays last year, I noticed that a lot of folks were starting to make these bacon wrapped Oreos. Of course, now we've got our Meat Church, Holy Gospel. And Logan, can you grab us the bag? Thank you, sir.
Oreo.
So of course we gotta do that.
Cookies.
Those are Chips Ahoy cookies, not just any cookies. Okay, so those are actually Milanos. And I know folks have tried Nutter Butters, Oreos, and all that stuff, but I wanted to bring in some things that are a little bit closer to my heart growing up. And that's these Pocky sticks and Hello Pandas. So we are going to wrap all of this, and then we're going to have our friends taste it and rank them from 1 to 5 to see which one they like the most. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So this is, hold on. This is a bacon wrapped Oreo. These are bacon wrapped Chips Ahoy cookies.
Ooh.
These are bacon wrapped Milano cookies. This is a bacon wrapped Hello Panda, those little tiny chocolate cookies.
I want that.
And these are bacon wrapped Pocky sticks. Okay, so that's the Chips Ahoy cookie, the chocolate chip cookie. So that one you can just take a half bite of, because the Hello Panda is really small inside.
That is good in the rest.
Careful.
Chocolate hockey stick.
Pocky.
Yeah, this is melting. I like this one.
The Hello Panda?
Yeah.
Okay, Hello Panda's number 1.
This is definitely my second.
Okay, Pocky stick number 2.
And
Oreo number 3. Chips Ahoy number 4. And Milano number 5. Logan, go. Oh, Hello Panda number 1. Pocky stick number 2. Oreo number 3. Milano number 4. Chips Ahoy last? Excuse me. So I'm gonna eat this part of the Hello Panda. I'm gonna actually go the other way.
You're still defeated.
That's your Pocky stick? Yeah, I mean that one's just like eating a little bit of chocolate laced bacon.
This was mine.
I actually like this one. It's like a darker chocolate on the Milano. All right, Oreo. Oh wait, no, Chips Ahoy. Here we go. Chips Ahoy cookies are not meant to be wrapped with bacon. Here, okay, let's see the Oreo. This is pretty good. My favorite one is the Milano, but the Oreo is my number 2. Going in for the Oreo. That's your Chips Ahoy. So the next one is the Milano. The Hello Panda and the Pocky stick.
Like this little guy should just crush the whole thing.
Yeah, that's like a little shooter.
This is a Pocky stick for sure, right?
Get at it.
In this moment, I'm feeling like Pocky stick number 1.
Okay.
Milano number 2.
Okay.
Then maybe Oreo, Panda, Chips Ahoy.
Okay, let's try this bacon Oreo.
Is that bacon Oreo? Okay.
Yeah.
I can't tell.
Looks like that.
Okay,
Okay.
you go.
Try a bite.
I don't think she likes it. Okay, my turn.
Yeah. Sorry. Not disgusting.
Wow.
Bacon is good though. I like the bacon.
Bacon's good.
So I think this is the Milano. I think I kind of broke off a piece of the cookie here. All right. Wow, the Milano kind of tastes like a cake in there. Interesting.
This one, you can definitely taste the sweetness a little bit more than Oreo. I don't think I ever had a Hello Panda. Have you? What is Hello Panda? Oh yeah. It definitely tastes the bacon more. I think so.
Pretty sure that's
Looks like-
chips ahoy.
looks like
Okay.
cookie.
All right, here goes. Interesting.
So
Love
this one I
bacon.
would say around the same as Milano.
The last one is this Pocky stick, I think. Yeah.
Chocolate sticking out.
All right. I
How
don't
would
know.
you rank the 5?
So I would do Pocky stick, the Hello Panda, and then Oreo, Milano, and Chips Ahoy are
Okay.
5. All 5.
I don't know if I disagree with that very much. I think for me, number 1, I agree that Pocky Stick is definitely best because you tasted bacon a lot more, and we just love bacon so much. And then Hello Panda, I agree, number 2. And there's difference between Oreo and Milano and Chips Ahoy. I think Oreo is better. The Milano and Chips Ahoy are definitely 4 and 5. So yep, that's
So
our
I'm
taste
gonna
test.
unwrap all of these, put the bacon back in the oven, and eat them all.
What you have before you is a bacon wrapped Oreo,
Wow.
bacon wrapped Chips Ahoy cookie. In the middle, a bacon wrapped Milano cookie. Then a bacon wrapped Hello Panda, and a bacon wrapped Pocky stick.
Wow. Okay.
Chips Ahoy.
Let's try this. Okay. This is really tasty. I'm ready to rank it.
Number 1.
I'm going to rank this is number 1.
The Hello Panda.
Yeah, this is number 1.
All right, number 2.
Number 2 is this.
The Milano.
Yeah, Milano. And number 3 is Oreo. And number 4, sorry.
Disrespect. The Pocky stick. Okay.
And number 5.
Oh, Chips Ahoy.
Yeah.
Number 5.
Yep.
Okay.
Bacon wrapped everything, I
Okay.
see. And these are real Oreos, right? These aren't the JoJo's from
No,
Trader Joe's?
we only do real Oreos,
Alright.
mega stuff. Okay, going in for the Chips Ahoy.
Oh, the Milano?
Milano, here we go.
That was a little bit strange.
It's like a Hello Panda shooter right there.
Okay. Is it chocolate, strawberry, vanilla?
It's a chocolate one.
Okay. And that one tastes weird. That one tastes really weird. No, with the bacon. Oh, this is Pocky. Chocolate as well, huh? If I had to give you an order, I would definitely say the Oreo comes first. Then I would say that the Milano comes second. Then I'd go Chips Ahoy. Then I'd probably go the Pocky. And then I would go Hello Panda or whatever it was. Just because the Hello Panda, for whatever reason, maybe it was just the one I had. Maybe I got one of those ones that had, I don't know, defect or whatever, but
There's no such thing. All Hello
yeah,
Pandas
they're all the
are-
same.
yeah. It's like going to
Dude,
McDonald's, man.
I
It's
could
always
not taste the
same.
chocolate. It was like I bit into it and then it just all became mush.
So here we are after 7 rounds of taste testing. These are the rankings. So I'm a little shocked, actually. If you look at this, it turns out the Pocky Sticks ends up being number 1, and the Oreo, the classic Oreo, ends up being number 2. And pretty controversial here, actually. If you look at the Hello Pandas, there's a lot of swings from like 1 to 5 to 4 to 2 and all that other stuff. But anyhow, hopefully you enjoyed watching some of this, and I would love to actually hear if you've done something like this before, like what you think and how you would rank it, if any differently. On a closing note, a couple of things. If I were to do this again, 1, I would not use thick cut or thick sliced bacon, especially you notice this on the Oreos and the Milanos, but because we use the thicker sliced bacon, it took a little bit longer to crisp them up, and by then the cookie itself really starts to kind of break down and melt and get super cakey. So the next round I'm definitely gonna go with thinner slices. Number 2, thanks to this brother right here that I met on Instagram, I'm gonna try out the peanut butter Oreos, and again with a thin sliced bacon. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. As always, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Who's smoking?
Sorry.